Most pickleball players lose matches, and it's not because they're hitting the ball wrong, it's because they're making the wrong decisions. So if you're tired of banging and hoping, tired of guessing when to speed up, or why you keep getting stuck mid-court, this video is going to give you a clear system to follow. We're about to break down smart, high-percentage pickleball that actually wins matches, step by step. 5 drills, 5 game plans, all designed to help you win more matches right now. Let's get into it. Why strategy beats strength. Here's a secret. Percentage wins. The best players aren't always the fastest or the flashiest. They're the ones who understand geometry and percentages. They use cross-court angles, pick big targets, and know when not to attack. They don't try to win with the third shot. They try to control the rally by getting to the net with balance and purpose. And they don't make random decisions. They make the same high percentage choices over and over and let their opponents beat themselves. That's what you're going to learn today. Serve and return game plan. Let's start with the most overlooked shots in the game, the serve and the return. Your job? Get both in. That's it. High percentage, deep, safe. You don't need to rip the serve. You need to hit it consistently deep, especially to the backhand or body. On the return, aim for depth, down the middle or cross court. You're not trying to win the point, you're trying to make their third shot harder. Watch high-level matches and you'll see it. Over 98% of serves and returns stay in. Pros don't give away freebies. Neither should you. Here's your first drill that's going to change everything. Serve 10 balls, but here's the catch. They must bounce within 3 feet of the baseline, then return 10 balls deep to the middle, and practice sprinting to the line with that perfect split step as your partner crushes the third. This one drill, it's going to separate you from 90% of recreational players. Third shot decisions. Now let's talk about the most misunderstood moment in every rally, the third shot. Here's the simple rule. If the ball is waist high or higher and in front of you, drive off it. If it's low, deep, or off balance, drop. The drive is not a winner, it's a setup shot. Your goal is to force a tough volley and then drop the 5th ball into the kitchen. Too many players rip third shot drives from bad positions and end the point for the other team. Want to win more? Here's the drill that'll unlock everything. Your partner crushes a deep return. You drive the third, crash that kitchen line, and prepare to drop the 5th. Here's the key. Do not go for the winner. Just land that 5th in the kitchen. Master this. You'll never get stuck in no man's land again. And those middle rallies you keep losing, you're about to start dominating them. Dinking and speed up strategy. Once you're at the kitchen line, it's all about control. But that doesn't mean you dink forever. Here's the pattern. Default to cross-court dinks. It's the longest distance, the lowest net, and the safest target. Aim for the outside foot or backhand corner. Then, when you've dragged them wide or caught a ball that's rising, you speed up. But here's the key. Only speed up when you've gained posture and position. Going first is good, guessing is not. Train this with a partner. Start with 10 cross-court dinks, using the same swing shape each time. On command, one of you speeds up to the hip or shoulder, the other blocks and resets. This builds disguised discipline, the transition zone. If you're losing matches at the rec level, odds are it's because you're losing in the transition zone. You hit a decent third, but then float your 5th, or panic and drive from your shoelaces. Here's your fix. Train soft resets from mid-court, low stance, paddle out front, half volley resets, cross-court with soft hands. Do this drill. Start at the baseline, reset 2 shots into the kitchen, then step forward. If you pop one up, go back. If you keep it low, keep advancing. Goal, get to the kitchen in control. Smart singles patterns. In singles, it's even simpler. You don't need a million weapons, you need 2 patterns. Pattern 1. Serve wide, expect the return down the line, and hit an inside-out forehand to open court. Pattern 2. Return deep to the middle, look for a short third, and approach on the 4th. Volley deep or to the body. Most singles points end within 6 to 8 shots. That means 2 good balls can win the point. Train with intent. Know your 2-ball combos and hunt for your approach. Between point reset routine. Before every point, use this mental reset. Breathe. Paddle up. Pick a safe target. Remind yourself big target. Cross court first. Posture before power. The outcome doesn't matter. The pattern does. If this helped you stop guessing and start thinking, give it a like. And if this helped your game, hit that subscribe button right now, because we're dropping game-changing drills like this every single week, and you don't want to miss the next one that could unlock your breakthrough. Smart pickleball wins matches. See you in the next one.